What's up, guys? So today's video, we're in the Viper right now. I'm just headed over to Ben's new shop. He's starting a wrap company, so probably gonna be a lot more to come on the channel on that, but I'm going to see out his new location. He's working on it, he's painting, he's getting all set up, so let's go check it out. There he is. Let's jump out and see what this place is all about. So we're here at Ben's new shop. He's still working on it, still getting it all set up. He's cleaning up the BMW. He's got his sticker bombs. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, sticker bomb. Then he's got his new cutter, vinyl cutter. All right, so tell us what's going on.
So it's a new shop. Got some big old bays. Got to redo it all. Hopefully be going next week. You know, start getting some real cars in here. Well, not real cars, but like some paying customers, and you know, just letting the guys enjoy it like if it was theirs. So I want people to come, hang out, do their thing, get their car wrapped. You know, even wash my car in front of the shop. So it's the first wash.
That's really why you did it, just so you could wash it.
Free water. Free water.
Oh, what? Don't, I can't put that on YouTube. I'll blur that out.
Yeah, free water.
Are you sponsored by T-Fox though?
T-Fox right here. Dude, send me some more shirts, bro. Like, probably the oldest, one of the oldest dudes wearing it.
If T-Fox ever watches, we'll tell him that you're gonna wrap his car. You'll wrap his car. You'll wrap the Guaczilla.
The walk. We'll change it up.
What are you gonna turn it into?
Guacamole is it.
Guacamole. So what we got going on here?
Blacking these out for a little bit more aggressive look.
This is clear? Oh yeah, it is clear.
Yeah, so it's gonna...
What grade do you think that is?
What grade?
Yeah.
Military.
Military grade, Ben says. It's probably like 5%, no?
I'd say it is. The cool thing is, I mean, once the lights show, I mean, is it cool if I turn them on?
Yeah, yeah. I think that one's only gonna be flashers, so put on like 4-ways on the top. Cause it's only, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it shows through perfect.
Oh, okay, perfect, right? Yeah, so big difference.
Yeah.
Especially just because, I mean, the car's like...
Yeah, you can definitely see it. So we got all pressed in, we're just trimming it out, tracing it.
Yeah, just trim it out, tuck it in. That way it has a nice little cream finish right along there.
Right on. So we'll let them trim it out and see what the finished look is. It's gonna look dope. So that's what she looks like right now. We got the bottom one black, but now we're deciding where to stop with the whole thing. I don't know if we're gonna do the top ones, the tail lights. So the bottom one, just so you guys know, that's the reverse light, right there, and then that's the turn signal there. So same over here, you can see the clear and then you can see the orange, but then the top is the actual brake light portion. So we'll see, it comes through. You guys saw the color comes through, but we got the LEDs in there, but we'll see what you're gonna end up with. What do you think, Ben? What do you think? Send it?
Send it.
You got yours all tinted out on your tails?
Yep.
You can't not send it with the second car. you just kind of have to full send every time and just, you know, pray
Full send. All right, well, we'll see what we end up with.
Sending it.
There we go, laying it down.
The only thing that pops out is just little dimples from like...
Yeah, there's not much you can do about that though, but it's laying down pretty good.
It looks really nice. Oh, alright, go for it. I thought I was ready. I wasn't.
He wasn't ready.
It was cold.
You poured it on my back and my nipples are hard.
So that's a good thing, right?
That's a
I hope so. I don't know yet.
There she is. It's looking good. My man laid it down real flat. Oh, there you go.
You're still seeing.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, the LEDs are coming through straight. Here she is. We got both sides done. Both matching. And it still comes through, believe it or not. So still get your full color through. It's hard to see with the sun facing us right now, but we'll get some shots of it after. So we got carried away and we took off the side markers. So that's it without it. And we still have the orange one somewhere, right?
Oh, I do.
It's right here. Yeah, we'll grab the other orange one to show you to compare, but now, there you go. It's still got the clear on it, so you can still see through. The amber will still shine through. But yeah, here's this one, before and after right there. Look at the difference. But the sun will still come through, the light will. So let's pop it on, see how she looks. There she is. Yeah, it's better for sure. So that's what it looks like now that the sun's on in our eyes. It looks wicked. So it's looking super clean. Right now we're just messing around right now. These things here that look like the speaker grill that Ben was making fun of here.
Yeah, those are speakers on recording.
So these speaker things,
Wait, those are actually
weird.
Fisher house speakers.
Fisher House?
Fisher house.
Those are expensive ones, right?
Yeah, like 30, 40 years ago.
So we're trying to make this whole area look a little better. We're gonna try a couple of different ways, I think. Well, at least the one way for now. So we're gonna try and just extend this black that way.
Extend the speaker for more sound.
And then the other way we're thinking, what? What are you saying over here?
Extend the speaker for more sound.
There,
surround
yeah,
sound.
it needs it, man. Stereo sucks in this thing. And then the other thing we were thinking is follow like the knifeless tape. So that green stuff that, I don't know if you can still see it, but he's got green stuff underneath it. It's knifeless tape that you just pull it up and it just cuts it. But we're gonna try doing it maybe here like that. And this whole thing would be black. But I don't know, we're just messing around seeing if we would do something cool.
So no blade marks on the paint ever.
It's the way to do it. Where's the two-step? Jeez.
I really hope that was him. One wheel wonder.
Me and Ben are gonna go get some food because it's late and we both only had breakfast. We're gonna go rip it. Shit. What the heck is that? What was that, sewage we just ran through? You just washed your car, you just ran through it. Turbo whistle. Alright, we got some food. What do you eat, man? What do you eat?
Buffalo wings.
Couple wangs? You got a whole, like, platter over there.
No. Wedges.
Appetizer platter. I think I got a wrap. We're gonna eat up, and we're gonna go back see how the boys made out on the car. And I think they're working on some other stuff, too. And back to the shop. Sounds sick. Here's where we're at. Test run. We'll probably do it again. We're just kind of testing stuff out right now. This isn't permanent, but it's coming out pretty good. It looks pretty cool once you put this in here. The only problem is we're just cutting out some of the spots in here. So again, just a test run, but overall, once you sit this in here, this is the other side, but once you sit it in, it looks pretty cool. So here's the finished product. We got the vinyl all laid down, and this, I'm probably gonna repaint these honestly, so it just kind of flows a little bit better, but it really does add kind of a cool look to the hood. So instead of it just being all red and then having those things that everyone keeps joking around that they look like speaker grills or something like that, this looks a lot better. I probably have to put some black into there, but we're just messing around. We're probably gonna redo it just a little bit better because we kind of just winged it on this, but what do you guys think of that? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of how that looks, but I think it looks pretty good. Here it is at night. Hit the brakes? There you go. It's bright with them LEDs. All right, guys, so that is gonna be a wrap, no pun intended, for today's video. So huge shout out to those guys. I'll be giving you guys more details on that shop and probably be stopping by there a lot more often and just kind of hanging out, seeing what kind of projects they're up to, and probably messing around with a little bit of this, you know, our stuff too, these two cars or whatever else we might have. So hope you guys enjoyed this, a little bit different. The end result on this is pretty cool. I'm liking the way it looks, but we're gonna, it's still not, honestly, like we just threw that on there. We didn't, you know, do it 100%. We just kind of threw it on there just to see how it looked. And we might mess around with some different kinds of vinyl and just play around with it, see what we can come up with. But thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that bell notification next to the subscribe button below in this video. So double check that your bell is turned on, because I've noticed a lot of the notifications aren't going out. So just double check to make sure you turn that bell on so you're notified of all the latest videos. Thanks again for your support. Pick yourself up one of these Boosted Motorsports decals or stickers. Hit me up. You can email me, hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, however you want to get a hold of me. We also have the new Boosted Motorsports merch that you'll see in the bottom from the Teespring. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Take care.